The RotoZip spiral saw system offers a variety of attachments that deliver added functionality and allow you to tackle a wide range of projects. For example, the ZipMate right angle attachment allows you to use cutting wheels with your spiral saw so you can cut very hard materials like floor tile, stone, ceramic, cement, brick, slate, steel, iron, as well as softer metals. Here's how to install the ZipMate right angle attachment. First, place the drive bit in the chuck. Next, making sure the latch is open, take the ZipMate and attach it to the tool. It's very important that the attachment is flush to the neck of the tool. Now, it may be necessary to twist and turn the attachment slightly while pushing it down to completely connect the ZipMate. Now, be sure to depress the call it lock button while twisting it to keep the drive pin from turning. Now, this needs to be done so that the square end of the drive bit will engage properly in the attachment. Once it's tightly in place, position the wheel in the desired cutting position. And finally, close the latch to lock the ZipMate onto the tool. The new X-Shield is a guard designed to fit on the ZipMate right angle attachment and allows you to use the new line of X wheels. These are high-performance, professional-grade cutting wheels. The Tile X wheel can cut floor tile, ceramic, and other very hard matter like granite or porcelain. The Wood X wheel is great for all kinds of wood, including laminate. The plunge router attachment delivers carving, edging, and routing applications. RotoZip has a complete line of router bits specially designed for use with our tool. The jigsaw handle attachment allows you to precisely control the operation of any RotoZip spiral saw. The flex shaft attachment is ergonomically designed for pen-style grip and comfort. The straight edge guide makes perfect rip-style cuts up to 8.5 inches wide and works with the jigsaw handle attachment, plunge router, and the new X-Shield. The dust extractor attachment attaches quickly and easily to wet-dry shop vacs and makes project cleanup a snap. Circle cutting guides provide a template for perfect circles when installing lighting fixtures and other projects. And finally, the grout removal attachment is a quick, easy, and efficient way to remove grout for replacing broken tiles or cleaning grout. To install bits, depress and hold the shaft lock, and then rotate the drive shaft until the shaft lock engages. Now, using a wrench, loosen the nut by turning counterclockwise. Remove the old bit. Insert the new bit as far as possible without the flutes of the bit engaging the jaws. Now leave approximately 1/8 of an inch of exposed shank. Re-engage the shaft lock and tighten. When using the collet nut, you will need to have the proper collet. RotoZip accessories have 3 shank sizes, 1/8 inch for most zip bits, 5/32 for all X bits, and 1/4 inch for the DuraCut bit and the window and door bit.